Devin was just reminding me that it's 70 degrees here. What is it, January what?
January 6th.
January 6th. What do you know? And it's beautiful weather. Sorry, other parts of the country. Thank you for joining Omega Plumbing Services today. We got an interesting job we're working at. And we're gonna replace some trim extensions that were ordered a year ago. We finally picked them up. We wanted a hand truck and there's one sitting right here. There it is. I always avoid these white rugs, but apparently their dog doesn't care. We've had these stored away for a long time. They were in the bathtub, so we wouldn't lose them. These are the trim kit. That's the extension. This is Devin. We're replacing these right here, these two. We replaced everything else about a year ago. Now those are coming out. We just didn't have the extensions, and during the pandemic, couldn't get it out.
Yeah, I think we still come back. So that
So it wouldn't leak. I don't remember doing that. It looks like.
Yep, silicone. Well, remember there's a huge hole here?
Yeah, maybe that's what I was thinking. Someone literally made this thing up. There it is. Don't get water on me. There you go.
The whole thing pulled out.
How you like that? Never seen that before? Yeah, he did what he could.
The whole thing.
Should have got a trim kit. Should have got the right trim kit.
Whole thing.
Oh, that one came out too. Yeah.
Literally, the whole thing just pulled out like that.
Interesting. I don't understand this part though. Did they?
They ground it down.
Why did they ground it? Oh. I don't know what's going on here. I don't do that crap. Always get the right stuff.
Like put a screw through here or something?
Yeah, that's weird. Okay, that's the first thing that goes on. That's a little weird. Actually, it turns like that. That's crazy.
There's probably a better way to do that. But.
Next. Let's just say there was a learning curve on this. Nice. Voila. And the little odd little set screw.
It's so strange that that set screw goes there because you can't put this on after this because it won't bend over this and this doesn't come off. Even if that did come off, that bend right there is too much for that to go over.
Yep.
So they make it like this really awkward little angle in there to get that in there.
And there you go. That's an extension on a Grohe valve from a long time ago, but they still make this design. Get replaced. Done. It only took a year. Boom. Now, let's go working on the other thing. What do you think about that one? Have you ever seen that before?
Oh my god.
Glued? What the heck is that?
It's like
This is next to get replaced. I'm gonna replace most of this. You know what? We should just replace all of this. I think I'm going to. It's old. This is glued too. What the? Who are they? Wow. What is this? Oh, Jesus. That's our exit. There's only one, so it must be concentric. Yeah, it must go together up in the ceiling. We just didn't notice that. This is a sad little garden.
got one little ugly squash.
What the heck's going on here? I expect better than this.
Look at the peppers though.
Those are ghost peppers, or?
They look like
What a day. It's a beautiful day. Look at the day. It's gorgeous. Can't beat a palm tree. By the way, this has to go too. This is a hydronic hand towel. Hand towel? Well, it'd be a little big for hand towels, but body towel warmer when you get out of the bath or shower. But this one's no good. Made by Meissen. Started leaking. Actually started leaking up here. It's upside down. There's a little pinhole right there. Anyway, this is what we're replacing. The Munchkin stainless steel high efficiency heater. It was huge in the 90s, early 2000. They do not make this anymore. Therefore it's going. And pretty much all this stuff has to be replaced. Has to be replaced. Has to be replaced. Yeah, I would just get rid of all this. We'll just use ProPress. Make it look clean. Get rid of these things. Keep the door open. Yep, it's getting replaced with a Navian high efficiency condensing boiler, baby.